So what you call waste is so useful now. एक तो आपका compost और एक bioenzymes wet waste के लिए. These are the two solutions एकदम which do wonders. So bioenzymes are basically enzymes which are made out of your waste, kitchen waste again. Mainly the fruits which we eat, the citrus fruits, उसके peels का बनता है. Then नीम का भी बनता है, तुलसी का भी बनता है, एलोवेरा का भी बनता है, हिबिस्कस का भी बनता है. Then those blue flowers, क्या है उसका नाम? The blue flowers which we offer to Shiv ji, अपराजिता, उसका तो बहुत अच्छा बनता है. And so many, whatever peels are there, they can be converted. Rose, beautiful enzyme with rose and lemon peels and everything. So we convert it into enzymes. So what are these enzymes? How to use them? So basically these enzymes, when used in a certain proportion, when they're diluted, they can replace your cleaners which are chemically loaded in your household. Now, how like cleaners like the ones which we use to wash our utensils, for your washing clothes, cleaning your bathrooms, toilets, then all these insect repellents, room fresheners, then one step further, your body mist, everything. Then nowadays they're using these in a certain proportion for sewage treatment plants. So when they're going down the drain, also they're cleaning up your sewage. So it is seen that even for the water river rejuvenation, enzymes are used, and the aquatic life is better. The dissolved oxygen, whatever the quantity is more than what it was before. It is improving. So all these things happen with just one enzyme which is made out of waste. Plus again, you're diverting the waste from your waste stream. So what you call waste is so useful now. एक तो आपका compost और एक bioenzymes wet waste के लिए. These are the two solutions एकदम which do wonders.
Right. So how do we go about making these bioenzymes?
So we have a proper proportion in which these are added. Jaggery, water and the peels and a container. That is all you need. So it is a process of fermentation which happens and gradually वो enzyme बनता है. It takes 3 months for the enzyme to be ready and then you strain it. Okay, when you strain it, you get the clear liquid and you get the pulp. So the pulp looks as if the fruit is cooked. When the fruit is cooked, how pulpy it becomes? It is like that. So that is used as a concentrated cleaner. It has got all the cleaning properties. It can clean your lime scales also. You don't need to scrub also. You just leave it for like an hour or so and you give it a gentle scrub. Your lime scales are gone. And I have tried it. I don't talk unless I have tried it on myself. So मेरे घर में I'm using it every day. I also own a brand called BIOENZYME, under which I also sell it, not on a larger scale, but whoever wants can buy from me. And जो हम लोग when we are mopping, we use that liquid. I use my bioenzyme instead of that. So it's a mixture of neem and citrus which I make. So it is a good insect repellent also. I'm not using any strong antiseptics also, which, irritate my nose as well as, everything. So it's like my house is like gradually trying to cut down on all the harmful chemicals, which later affect the body also, which affect the water bodies also.
Wow. So it's the same bioenzyme, it's the same solution that is helping you clean your floors, your utensils, multi-purpose.
Yes, multi-purpose.
Specialized, special liquid soap for dishes,
no, you don't. You need special mind, which will make the bioenzyme. That is about it. And even the rashes and all, are taken care of.
Oh wow, that's
so beautiful. Definitely the rashes. It needs a medical attention.
Right.
But if it is itching too much, what we do is we tend to apply something. You just spray the bioenzyme and it's taken care of.
Right.